Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Peanut Butter. Hi, I'm 18, female. I just want to confess something na never ko sinabi sa ibang tao, not even to my closest friends. I am already in college, and this story happened when I was in junior high school. This is about me and my pet, Brownie. Ako lang kasi mag-isa palagi sa bahay namin since nag-work yung family ko. One time, I was so horny. Pumasok ako sa room ko to do that thing that women usually do kapag horny. I felt bored while doing it, kaya kumuha ako ng sandok for me to use. Guess what? Hindi pa rin ako satisfied. So I went outside my room para lapitan si Brownie. Hindi ko alam kung anong pumasok sa utak ko, but I suddenly took off my shorts and underwear. After that, nilagyan ko ng peanut butter yung kifi ko. Tapos lumapit ako ulit kay Brownie. I sat on the floor, tapos pinadilaan ko kay Brownie yung kifi ko na may peanut butter. Nakikiliti ako habang dinidilaan ni Brownie yung kifi ko, and it felt so good. Naulit yon ng 2 beses until hindi na ulit ginawa ni Brownie. Hindi ko talaga alam kung bakit at paano ko naisipang gawin yon.